आपको एक और welcome to another video by Abron. This is Abron Fume Hood, which is having one window where we have the weights are inside, and this one is a window for using. This one table is stainless steel. It has a one tap, and this one is only a fume which is to be put outside. Wire is also inside. One wash basin is there. This is for gas tap, for power plug or any other utility inside. And this chamber is stainless steel. And on the top side there is a this one has a exhaust. You know this, there are fan, power and light. Light is also inside. And on the right side we have the plug for water to the tap, and another to the 220 volt power button. And this one is exhaust. Inside you see some exhaust. You connect it to the outside, and on the top side there is a soundless motor. On the right side there is one point for connection to the LPG gas, and below is a cabinet where you have to connect the output to the drainage so that you can put it outside and store some of the things required. Please visit the website, subscribe to our channel, and write us on abron01@gmail.com, or we have got 2x2, 2x4, 3x4 and 4x6 and so many other sizes are available with us. Please visit the website and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.